exhale, hands down. Move your arms around to relax them completely. Okay, one last stretch for the shoulders. Now interlock your both hands behind your back. Interlock your fingers nicely. Now inhale and lift your shoulders up and roll them back. Lift your chest, keep your spine arched. Now take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lean forward, keeping the arch of your spine maintained. And now try to lift your hands up. Cramp?
No.
Okay, no problem. Very good. Calm down. Very good. Okay, now try to stretch your hands. Okay, keep breathing normally and just start pushing your hands very gently, very softly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One last time, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, stretch your hands and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your hands down. Inhale, lift your head. Come up, relax. Move your arms around. One more time. Interlock your fingers again. Lift your shoulders up and roll back. Arch your spine. Keep your chest lifted. Again, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lean forward and try to drop your head completely down. Now again, start pushing your hands 10 times. Keep breathing normally and push your hands forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now try to tuck your chin if possible. If not, just try to drop your head more. Take a deep breath in and we'll hold with the stretch of the shoulders. Inhale, and as you exhale, stretch your shoulders, drop your hands more closer towards your head and the ground and hold. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, gently come up and relax. Move your arms around again. Very good. Alright. Now come into the tabletop position. Put your palms down. Make sure that your alignment is right. Your knees are right under your hips and your wrists are right under your shoulders. Okay? Next we will be doing cat and cow pose. Alright. Take a deep breath in and lift your head up, and at the same time drop your belly down. Feel the stretch in your belly area as you're pushing your navel down. Now exhale, drop your head down, tuck your chin and roll your shoulders up. Again, inhale, head up, belly down. Try to lift your chin up to feel the stretch in your thyroid area. Try to activate your thyroid gland by stretching your neck area. Exhale, head down, round your spine again. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. 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 One last time with holding. Now inhale, lift your head up and stretch your belly down. Try to pull your navel as much as down as possible for you. Keep looking up and keep feeling the stretch in your middle and the lower back. Keep breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale, drop your chin down, tuck your chin, head down, and round your spine. Keep pressing your arms firmly on the mat to lift your shoulders as high as possible. Again, hold, keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax into the child's pose. Sit back over your hips and extend your arms forward and drop your head down.